How's it going, guys? YomiTosh here, and I wanted to briefly show you how to get the iOS 12.1 jailbreak on your device, the Unc0ver jailbreak, on iOS 12.1.2 and below, and I'll just show you that I am indeed on iOS 12.1.2. And I just wanted you guys to join in the process of like installing it on your device. I have Reddit open up on my laptop, and I'll just take you through it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is, of course, get your phone connected to your computer, and just head over to the link in the description, or basically the Reddit post, and you head over to the GitHub repo. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you see the IPA for the beta 36. Let me just make sure this is focused on the right place. Okay, so you see the IPA for beta 34 rather, and you just go ahead and hit on that, and you'd have it downloaded to your downloads folder. And there it is for me, the beta 34. And I'll just head over and drop this into Cydia Impactor. So if you didn't know, you actually do need Cydia Impactor for this to work. This is the only way you can sideload apps onto your iOS device if you're not the creator of the app in the form of IPA. And I'll probably just blur this out, but basically you put in your Apple ID email. So I'll just put in mine there. And you'll need to get a one-time password of appleid.com, and this is because I have two-factor authentication on. But if you don't have two-factor authentication on, then you won't have to do this. But yeah, this is what I have to do. Sometimes it's painful and sometimes it's stressful, but it's only once in 7 days. I'm pretty sure there'll be a tweak to prevent you having to re-sign the app every time too, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'll just go and generate a password, and I'll call it Jailbreak. So there we go, I have the password here, and I'll just put the password into Cydia Impactor. And good thing about the password is that it's always lowercase letters, which is pretty cool, so you never are confused if it's uppercase or lowercase, and there's no numbers too as well. So yeah, Cydia Impactor is sideloading the app onto my iPhone SE, and yes, it is still my iPhone SE. I haven't gotten a phone to replace it yet, and the A9 processor is still pretty good, to be fair. And luckily for me, it's still supported by the new jailbreak. So yeah, I have Unc0ver on my phone right now, and I'll just go back behind the camera in a second. Let me just move it over to a new page. Unc0ver. Okay, so I'm back behind the camera, and I have Unc0ver right there. Turn up the brightness just a bit, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'll just see what it unfolds. Okay, yeah, so untrusted developer. Some of you guys are familiar with this already. You just head into settings, profile and device management, click trust it, and then just head back to the app and click on it. So yeah, that is Unc0ver, and it has a nice shiny jailbreak button there. And yeah, hit jailbreak, I guess. Alright, it seems we're in business. I didn't quite catch that notice. Oh yeah, so there is a wrist spring, and that's a good sign that something is working. And I'm pretty happy about this jailbreak so far. There hasn't been any like issues like with what I had before, which was the main reason I got rid of jailbreak on my iPhone SE, which was like it would not boot into jailbreak very consistently. It would restart a couple of times, and you'd have to like try a bunch of times before you can finally get it to boot into the jailbroken state. But that doesn't seem to be an issue with this, and I've got Cydia right there, which is awesome. Back to the jailbreaking days, and yeah, I still have a tweak that was that remained on my phone even after I reset it. And yeah, all my sources are back, which is pretty cool. And I'll get to making more jailbreak videos, so you guys stay tuned to that. I'm pretty sure some of you are excited about that, and basically about iOS 12 jailbreak, so Stay tuned, Jailbreak Wednesdays are coming again. Once again, it's YomiTosh, and I'll see you in the next one. Signing out. Peace.